community is amazing. It is really amazing. And starting with the two girls, like with Cassie and Sharon, they're absolutely amazing people. And everybody you meet, this is my 4th workshop now with PSYCH-K, and it's absolutely amazing. The connection, you're just meeting people that are so like-minded, people that they just get you, and it's just lovely. I love it, and I've made some great friends from PSYCH-K, and it's really beautiful. The community is powerful, really powerful people.
I've been on a very rapid journey this month, and I've done 2 courses and a retreat, and it's wonderful to meet like-minded people who are like-minded but diverse at the same time, so it's not everybody the same and repetitive. It's a nice wide community of ages and experience and that, so it's wonderful, and you feel supported, and that is great.
It's one of the only places that I feel just this really deep sense of peace and connectivity with other people who are very like-minded. I'd say that in PSYCH-K and in the workshops I've made some friends for life, so it's been absolutely invaluable to me.
PSYCH-K is a big family. We feel each other, we like-minded people, we assist each other in our journey, and through the balances and through the process. The process is built in such a way that collaboration and cooperation is required, and everybody is coming with open hands and willing to learn and willing to transform themselves, and the connection has been amazing. The connection with myself first of all, and reaching parts which I didn't reach before, and the connection with other people, we create beautiful and magical connections.
Well, it's really opened up a totally different area of life to me, and a sort of section of people that I might never really have come across before, and you know, I've made some really good friends through doing PSYCH-K, and there's lots of different cultures here, so I'm learning lots about different cultures, different people, and everybody's got such a depth of knowledge in lots of different ways. So it's been brilliant really for me to sort of open my eyes to other things that are going on, because you get so entrenched in your world, and that's the only thing you see. So to see the world from different perspectives has been really invaluable to me.